Everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. I'm using the Mama Elephant Boba tea. Really want the, there's some dies that go along with it that are a little bit bigger. I think they're bigger. You can use them for shakers, but they were sold out when I got this one, so, oh well. I'll get the dies for this one, but Boba tea. So I did a couple slimline cards. So here's this one. And then I used some big letters that I have, and I cut out the words cute tea, and I made my own little background. This one is distress ink. This one's also distress ink, and I used a slimline die that I have in my stash. That's what this one looks like, the slimline card. And then I made this card. So I made these two cards, and so this piece right here is the centerpiece of this. I just didn't want to waste it, so I just placed that on a card. So there you go. And then, this one I figured I could make a pocket in the back, and it could be for a gift card. I could put a hole in here, and I can use it as a tag. Or I could just put it on the front of a card. So it kind of gave me some, I just wanted to make this little coffee cup really cute. And this is a My Creative Time die. It says this one is on me, so I think I probably intended to put like a Starbucks gift card in the back. And there you go. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.